Hey everyone, it's Linda. Today I want to share a recipe for a quick and easy chicken stir fry. So let me show you the ingredients you're going to need. You're going to need 3 chicken breast sections, and you're going to slice those up into pieces. You're going to need some soy sauce, some ginger. Fresh ginger would be wonderful. I don't have the fresh ginger. And some garlic powder. You're going to need some slaw mix. The bags I have are small, so I have 2 in this colander that I've wrenched. You don't have to wrench it, I just prefer to wrench it. And you're going to need some sliced red pepper. I have a skillet heating, and I've added oil. I'm using olive oil, but I think if you had sesame oil, that would be even better. So the skillet's nice and hot. And I'm going to add salt and pepper and the garlic powder to the chicken. And garlic powder to taste. I like a lot of garlic. We'll let that cook until the chicken is nice and brown. Now that the chicken is almost done, I'm going to add the red peppers. They take a little longer to soften than the cabbage, so I'm going to add those now. Because I like a little heat, I'm going to add a few red pepper seeds. If you don't like things that are spicy, you don't have to add that in. To add a little bit of sweetness, a little spicy and sweet, I'm going to add 2 packets of Stevia. Because this recipe is going to be a low carb recipe. So I'm going to add the Stevia. And now I'm going to add a cup of water. And all these drippings at the bottom are going to make a sauce. And you may need to add more water as it's cooking. I'm going to add a few dashes of soy sauce. I better start out with a little bit and add more later than to put too much in. Now I'm going to add the cabbage. The cabbage is all added, and now I'm just going to wait for that to cook down. It's all done. The cabbage has reduced, and the chicken is fork tender now, just falling apart. So I think it's time for dinner. As always, thanks for watching, and until next time, bon appetit.